In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a subtask into a card in Trello. If you're someone who manages projects, tasks, or workflows, you probably know how helpful Trello can be. It's a fantastic tool for keeping everything organized with features like boards, cards, and checklists that make task management a breeze. But what if you start with a checklist item and later realize it deserves its own card for better tracking and detail? Well, today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to do just that. Let's dive in. First, start by opening your Trello board where the task you're working on is located. If you're not already familiar with Trello, it's a web-based project management tool that uses a visual approach to help you organize your tasks. If you don't have a Trello account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once your board is open, it's time to locate the card that contains the subtask you want to convert. Cards in Trello are like individual task containers, and they hold all the details you need for a specific piece of work. Look through your board and find the card that includes the checklist item you want to work with. Next, click on the card to open it. This will expand the card so you can see all its details, including descriptions, attachments, and most importantly, the checklist. Once the card is fully open, scroll down to locate the checklist that contains the subtask. Checklists are a great way to break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. Now, hover your cursor over the specific subtask you want to convert into its own card. As you do this, you'll notice a small 3 dots icon appear next to the subtask. This is your action menu, so go ahead and click on it to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Convert to Card. This action will instantly transform the checklist item into a separate Trello card. It will also move this new card to the same list where the original card resides, keeping everything neatly organized on your board. Once the new card has been created, click on it to open and customize it further. This is your chance to add any additional details or context that will help you and your team manage the task effectively. You can add a description, attach files, and even include links or comments. Don't forget to set a due date for the card if there's a deadline you need to meet. You can also assign team members to the card by selecting their names from your Trello team. If this card belongs in a specific list on your board, you can drag and drop it to the appropriate location. And that's it. You've successfully converted a subtask into a card in Trello. This process is a great way to give more attention to specific items and ensure they're tracked properly as part of your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.